Have you ever considered how your gums reflect your overall health? Welcome to our exploration of gum health and the natural strategies to support it. Our gums are more than a dental issue. They offer vital insights into our body's well-being. Gum disease impacts nearly 47% of adults over 30. Often dismissed as a localized problem, it can signal deeper systemic issues. Understanding gum disease's two primary stages is essential. Gingivitis, stage 1, is reversible with care. Conversely, periodontitis can lead to serious complications if not managed early. Let's break down what gum disease entails. Gingivitis manifests as swollen or bleeding gums. It can progress to early periodontitis, marked by deeper inflammation and sensitivity, and eventually moderate to severe periodontitis. Each stage necessitates different approaches, emphasizing the need for early intervention. From a holistic perspective, gum disease isn't just about bacteria, it involves the entire body's environment. Factors such as systemic acidosis, lymphatic congestion, and nutritional deficiencies create optimal conditions for disease. Understanding these root causes is key to improving gum health naturally. Now, let's look at how gum health connects to the rest of your body. Gum disease has links to heart health, cognitive function, and even pregnancy outcomes. The inflammatory substances found in unhealthy gums can enter the bloodstream, affecting your overall health. To foster healthier gums, certain nutrients are crucial. Vitamin C, high in citrus fruits, aids in collagen synthesis. Vitamin D supports immune response, while vitamin K2 helps regulate calcium. Omega-3 rich foods reduce inflammation, while magnesium supports bone health. Consider herbal remedies. Neem and myrrh have clinical backing for their antibacterial effects. Clove and turmeric reduce inflammation and support healing. These herbs can be integrated into your oral care routine, enhancing gum health significantly. Another well-researched method is oil pulling. Swishing coconut or sesame oil for about 15 to 20 minutes can reduce bacterial load effectively. Using herbal mouthwash post-meals can also help manage oral bacteria. Here's a practical daily routine to maintain gum health. Start with oil pulling in the morning, followed by natural tooth powder or paste. Incorporate an herbal gum massage and an after-meal herbal mouthwash. Regular flossing and tongue scraping are essential for deeper cleaning and reducing bacteria. Diet plays a massive role in gum health. Incorporate fruits high in vitamin C and leafy greens for their essential nutrients. Fermented foods promote a healthy oral microbiome, while cutting back on sugars and processed foods is crucial for avoiding gum disease triggers. Remember, while these measures support your gum health, it's essential to seek professional care if you experience significant symptoms like consistent bleeding or loose teeth. In summary, gum disease is a systemic health issue interconnected with many bodily functions. Addressing root causes holistically and incorporating nutritional and herbal support can lead to improved gum health. Take action today. Consider integrating these practices into your routine for a healthier mouth and body. If you're struggling with gum health, consult a dental professional for tailored advice. Your gums are a gateway to your overall well-being.